into work today. Right now we're going to the shop. I'm trying to get better at this consistently vlogging. As you guys could tell, the progression of the worst beard in life. I gotta trim it. I'm looking a little rough, but it is what it is. First off, I got an order to fulfill, which I'm pretty psyched on. So thank you for buying up shirts. I really appreciate it. I got some more coming out. You know, doing so much is really, you're spread real thin across the board. So there's a lot more designs. I just not gonna lie to you guys, there's a lot more designs on the table. It just I'm paying for several different things right now, so getting stuff produced is a little bit difficult for the moment, but they're coming. Be patient, they're coming, and thanks again for the support. Oh, we got a couch. We got a baby love seat. We got a new one coming too. We're gonna have our little pimp office space, you know. Anyway, let's get everything going for today. Still waiting for the sensor. Still waiting for the seal on that. Let me turn on the shop lights. There we go. Turn on the heat. It is winter time. Turn on the heat. We'll go a little under 70 degrees. Let's pull the GTO in. All right, guys, we're gonna do the diff today. But I do want to mention one thing. I know I put a drift tire on this car, and actually the grip is pretty well, at least for my situation. But these Kendas are amazing. I'm not lying to you, these Kendas are dope. Probably one of the better street tires that I've ran, and I plan on getting a whole lot more. I'm probably gonna lace up the Z with all 4 Kendas, especially for, you know, drifting the track and whatever. One of my homies, Brian, hit me up to go and do a drift, pretty much a drift session, but we got to get the Z done. So he wants to go out to IMI, and I'm down to do that. It just got to get the Z done, and we're currently waiting on parts. So once we get the parts for the Z will be up and back running. We'll do a couple I'll skim over a few things. We'll log it in HP tuners, make sure it's really safe, and then we're gonna go take it to, it's a first official track drift day. And I'm super excited about that. I've never had any kind of track day, like actual drift day. I think I might even try, we'll try a grip session first, like half the day, and then we'll slide a little bit the rest of the day. But yeah, I'm super excited about that, because this will be the first time that I'll be driving this thing for what it's worth, full reign of getting loose. So hopefully next week we're going to do a drift day. So yesterday I decided to change out this gasket. As you guys could tell, the car just burned right through them. It's real bad. Anyway, don't use these guys. This actually caused a severe boost leak. Not a boost leak, but I wasn't pressurizing the turbo enough. Yeah, so I'm glad I swapped these out. Trash. Don't use these guys. I think I need a hard hub cover. I need a new diff mount too. I guess diff mounts really help. These guys really help with wheel hop. Now that I don't really have bad wheel hop on this car, but I know a lot of you GTO guys do. But yeah, we'll let this thing drain out, and it's really stinky. It's just terrible. So long overdue. If anybody wants to sponsor me from some axle stubs, I will gladly take some. Right now we're on the 1400 horsepower DSS axles, but stock stubs, because the old ones got roasted in my other diff. Still need to rebuild the other diff, but it is what it is. This is working for now, and I haven't been doing a whole lot of burnouts or anything, so we're good. So I was also thinking of cutting this bad boy out. We're really thinking about going full race car. I'm not sure yet, but slicing this thing out, you know, actually going like a fuel cell in the trunk, and lighting this thing up as much as possible while keeping it safe. I like to get the car close to like 3,300 pounds with me in it, so we could really utilize the whole horsepower range. What's up, bro?
What's up, homie?
So everybody, you guys know Jesus. He's my shop partner. He's moving in next month.
Yep.
He's excited. We're gonna be cranking out on his E30. He's gonna help me finish this. We're still waiting on pieces for it. We're gonna be welding his truck diff, and he's gonna come with us to the track days.
Ooh, that would be so fun, dude.
Yeah, this week or next week. Hopefully next week.
Track day next week? Hell yeah.
We're gonna try. We gotta hustle up some extra work, but
yeah.
But yeah, we did today, we didn't really film it, but we pulled the transmission out of this thing for my dad, and then he took it to get rebuilt. So he should essentially, actually pretty much swapping it out there. They wanted the core for this, and yeah, so we pulled the transmission in this thing. He's taking that to the guy. The guy's gonna give him a new one, and then with a 3-year warranty. Then my dad is over here talking about putting a 6.2 in here. It never ends. I changed the diff fluid, as you guys seen, so the GTO's ready to rip. There's a couple other things to do on it, and we should be good to go after that.
Room he's got, man.
See, easy 6.2 in here. It'd be much better. Solid day today, guys. Heading home. I'm gonna actually see if the seal has got there for the Z, so then I can put the Z together tomorrow and get the Z out of the shop tomorrow. But for now, we're just cruising. It's boost weather. It's cold outside. It has to be like, I don't know, 28 degrees, something like that, or 30 degrees. I'm not sure. It's pretty cold though. But yeah, just gonna cruise it home. So my wideband went out again, but I found a reason why it failed. So just another maintenance thing I gotta handle on the GTO. The wideband usually fails when you install them at an incorrect angle, and I never knew this until recent. So I mean, you live and you learn, but I'm glad I figured it out now so I don't go through another one. The angle in which the wideband is installed in the downpipe matters. So it needs to be either like straight up and down, or at least to the side, but I have it on the bottom, so it gets all the moisture and nastiness. It ends up, you know, fouling the sensor. So now my sensor just reads 14.7 all the time. Another thing to fix, but at least the car's running real smooth. And then I'll have the Z back tomorrow, and fingers crossed I'll have the Z back tomorrow. And then I could finally park the GTO and collect some money so I could get these axle stubs. The axle stubs will be the next thing to really be able to drive this car a whole lot harder and not worry about it as much. Also, it sounds so much better without the exhaust leak. It was ticking pretty bad, you know, the day before yesterday, and I'm super glad I fixed the exhaust. So now just little tiny things to get this thing running really strong and for the season, and it should be a good time. Hopefully 2021 is a better year for everybody. I'm wishing blessings for all you guys, and for myself, I want to do big stuff, big things. Alright guys, I just got home, and this little guy just came in the mail finally. So let me show you guys what this is. On a Z32 tail housing, after some time the stock ones like to fail, so it likes to leak, and mine leaked pretty good out of nowhere. Started leaking real bad. Tail housing, I left a good quarter of a quart of transmission fluid or transmission oil, because the Z32 uses oil, on my driveway. So I wasn't psyched, decided to fix it right away. So I had a special order this thing from Z1 Motorsports, and they were on it. They actually got it here in 2 days, so I'm hyped. I'm gonna install this tomorrow, and we're gonna get the Z going back tomorrow. So let's get driving.
It's the time for games and it's the time to kill. Make up your mind, baby, cause the time is here.